come on, drink this way. Everyone control that drink just there.
Abracadabra.
Abracadabra? Oh, wait, save it for the monsters. It's up there now. Let me the monsters know you're here. Let's know that can take you through very soon. Hello, my friends, and welcome to the entrance of MOnster Street. Are you ready? Then follow me. We've got a lot to talk about. Right there. Come on forward, my friends. Come on over. Now, I know what you're all thinking. We've been here before. We've had it before. Oh, it's just a children's story, but no! This time it's different. This time, I've been in. I've seen it with my own eyes. And this time, you're going to see it with your eyes. But one little thing. The monsters, they don't tend to like the human folk all that much. So you need to promise me one thing. When you enter the street of the monsters, you need to be the biggest, scariest monsters you have ever been. Can you do that for me? Yes. Can you do that for me?
Yeah.
Then you're going to be fine. It's okay, don't worry, don't stress. I've got one last thing for you. Wait just there. These are your trick-or-treat bags. Once you get a bag, venture into the forest at your own risk. Good luck. Go to me.
Very scary. Especially you, oh my goodness. Are you like some kind of cyborg? You look like a cyborg. What do cyborgs do? They go beep boop, beep boop. They do, I see. Well, as long as you're scary, you can head on in. You scary? Alright, head on in. Now, what about you? You've got amazing costumes. What are you supposed to be?
Rocket little bro.
This is magic. More of the songs you love.
Catch you later. How's it going? Oh, the robot dude again. Couldn't keep you away, buddy. Watch yourself, little dude. Something about MOnster Street when it gets darker changes everything, bro. Catch you later, dude.
I remember you. Amazing.
Yeah. Go and talk to her and she's got the surprise for you, remember?
It's my favorite. See you later. Hello there. You're super scary. Oh my goodness. Would you like some candy? Oh, that's good. There we go. One in that one. One in that one. And for some for you too. Here, come here. There you go. One for you. And one for you. Be careful with the chomps. They bite. The chomps bite. They chop you up. I'm joking. I'm joking. It's a little fun. Not very funny. I'm trying. I'm working my best. Please, more bubbles. Oh my goodness. Well, I'm a vampire and a spider mixed together. I'm trying. Come forward for me. Come forward for me. He's in my throne. Oh my
I'm ugly, she's grumpy, she's really cute.
Oh, then more importantly, who would you say is the stinkiest? Oh, how could they? Well, I'll give you one Lego piece for you to build. Now, for the three of you who said she was stinky, do you think you'll get a Lego today? Well, I think so as well, because I would call her stinky too. Here you go. Oh, we don't have any left, unfortunately. These are our amazing bats you can really try. No problem at all. Head on through and hope you enjoy. So sorry about that. Bye now. Ooh, welcome back, bud. Can I get another high five? Okay, have you been practicing your robot moves? Here we go. Well, that is amazing. Now, here is one for you. And of course, you're never too old for some Lego, so here's one for your dad as well. Have a great Halloween, and I hope to see you soon. Hang on a second. Haven't I seen you two before? Well, can I get high fives from the both of you? Perfect. 1 and 2. Now, I think you deserve something extra special for being greedy monsters and coming back. Here you go, and here you go. And like I always say,
Hello again! I remember you, friend. High five. Oh, now you're in the dark. How different does it look? A lot scarier, right? Oh yes, because of the screen and because of that. I could see it from a mile away. Wow.
Look at my ear,
Oh, I like your hat, Wish.
hello.
You look awesome.
You again.
And I like your face mask as well. You look very awesome. Haha. Would you like to see it?
Cauldron. But close your eyes, not that I can see them, and make a wish.
Deadly Nightshade.
1, 2, 9. Right, done. What's your wish? Don't tell me it won't come true.
Oh, it is?
Yeah. Cool. There they go.
Amazing. It takes us like,
Of course you do. It's my amazing cauldron, this. Right, come on then. Stand in, smile. Say potatoes. Potato.